We just covered the three components. Now, let's wire them up live. Claude Desktop is our host. Here, this is a power-packed AI assistant, and it has some breathtaking features. Some of them is your chat, co-work, Claude Code. It's a world in itself. The kind of features that are being shipped out of Claude is phenomenal. But now, to talk to you about MCP, we go to this plus button, and this is the connectors. In here, you open yourself when you click Manage Connectors, and there are some connectors which are already connected, like GitHub, Google Drive. But if you further browse for all the connectors available under Claude, you would see Gmail, Calendar, Canva, Notion, and so on. This is the connectors marketplace. Every card here is an MCP server built by third parties, reviewed by Anthropic, Slack, Notion, Figma, Google Drive, PDF tools. One click to connect. This is the M plus N ecosystem in practice. We are connecting Filesystem. Let's search for it. And now, before we connect, look at the different tools that are available. This specific connector, available via Claude, helps us for tasks such as file management, data processing, automation of repetitive tasks. And these are the different tools coming out of the box. Let's hit install. It's currently being installed. Now, let's provide the directory that you want to give this file system server access to. I would like to isolate it to a specific path for this demo. Let's choose this and let's hit save. Don't forget to hit this box. This will enable your file system MCP server. Once that's done, let's hit back. Let's hit on new chat. And we should now see our file system MCP server. Let's invoke the server with a list file kind of a question. It was able to pick up the file system server requested, and this server provided us with the most accurate information that we asked for. Quick note, you may also come across a file called Claude Desktop config.json. That file could be accessed under Settings, Developer, Edit Config. This JSON is the file in question. This file is an alternative way to wire up MCP servers manually via JSON. Typically, for custom or self-hosted servers that aren't in the connector marketplace. For everything we are doing here, the UI is all you need. But very soon we are going to utilize or manipulate this JSON to connect to our custom servers. Thank you.